Welcome to my unboxing video. Magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable. Apple Watch Series 9. I picked the 45mm version. Midnight Sport Loop. First, we need to pair it with iPhone. Sorry about the light. Just scan the watch screen on this step. The setup will take pretty long. Let me fast forward it. Basically just some common settings. Finally, in the widget list, you can now pin them according to your preference. The first one you pin will be on top, then the next pin will be placed below your first pin. To start with, long press one of them. You can add other widget by tapping the plus. Tap the pin icon on right to pin it. All the unpinned one will be pushed to bottom. Tap done to confirm the changes. Now if you want to unpin it, just long press again and tap the right icon to unpin. You can see it back to default position. I believe you heard the double tap feature. To enable it, first head to settings and look for gesture. Make sure you turn on the double tap. You can also define what the double tap do. Now I will set it to play with paw. If you use Spotify in this watch, you will find that gesture doesn't work. Currently I am trying play with paw. But there is another way to be able to use it. There's an app called Now Play. It'll show whatever media you play, and gesture works in this app. Now let's try skip through double tap, and you can see it works in Now Play. There's one downside for this app. If you did not set longer period for this app to stay on screen while your hand up, it will back to time screen, and gesture will only work when Now Play is on screen. One more thing about this gesture. When you're exercising, if your hand move a lot, the watch will not detect your double tap. You can see I just swinging my hand. I tried to keep my hand still while jogging. It doesn't help. Too bad. Cinema mode. You can find it in control center. When you turn it on, you'll be able to see a small icon on top. As you know, Siri's 9 will keep the screen on. When you turn on cinema mode, the screen will sleep when you put it down, and it won't wake even you raise your wrist. What it does is, it allows you to slowly increase the brightness by spinning the crown, so people behind you won't see 2000 nits light in the middle of movie. Increase slowly. Take a peek and turn it off. I believe you can't see it too. Compass. You can find it among the app here. Bottom left. Allow you to mark a location. You can set the icon in color. Take car icon as example. You'll see a dot on the compass. If you tap it, it'll show all the marked location. If you select one of it, it'll show you the way and distance. Right now the direction is behind me. There is no delay as you change the direction. Anyway, not gonna use it for now. You can still edit the marked location by tap on bottom right icon. The settings are mostly same. You can also see the map below the settings. I'll delete it for now. You can also set it on your time screen as a shortcut. There are a lot more things you can set it here. Siri, count down 5 seconds. The speed that Siri receives your command is now improved. Let's try out those health apps. This ECG app can measure your heart rate. You can allow it to notify when your heart rate is too low or high to a certain rate. This could save your life. There are a lot of things you can set and check. I'll leave it for you to play around. Another downside of this watch is that there is no feature to close all apps, so you need to close it one by one. If you're lazy like me, There is a way to leave it open and able to keep battery lasting at the same time, which is turn off background app refresh. Make sure this is toggled off. My watch is now 67% battery left. Remember, today is Sunday, because now we'll take a look at my battery performance. My last full charge is yesterday, almost same time, and now I have 67% battery left. This will also depend on your usage habits. Even if I wear it all day long, I actually doesn't much touch it, because the always on display is the only feature I need in outdoor. If you are a heavy Apple Watch user, you can turn on low power mode to ensure the battery lasts longer. I'm not sure the downside of turning this on. If you know about it, tell me about it in the comment below. Messages. You can perform fast reply by choose one of the suggestions message. If I remember correctly, you can edit those suggestions message, or you can choose to manually reply, but you will not see keyboard if you're using SE Watch. Subscribe for more.